Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can also create a pattern to save as a preset pattern for later use. The pattern maker was removed from the general installation of Photoshop CS4. It is still available as an optional plugin at adobe.com, along with instructions on how to install it. To create your own pattern, you first must open the image that has the pixels that will become the basis for your pattern. Use the Layers panel to select the layer from which you wish to generate the pattern. In this case, we're using an image that has a single background layer. When you finally do generate the pattern, it will replace the contents of the selected layer, so you may want to make a copy of the layer that you can later discard. If you don't do that, then don't save the changes to the image file after generating the pattern, or you'll lose the contents of the selected layer. In the selected layer, make a rectangular selection over the pixels that you want to use as the basis for the pattern. So we'll go up here and select our marquee tool, and then just click and drag in our image. After doing that, select Filter and then Pattern Maker from the menu bar. And that will launch the Pattern Maker dialog box that we see here. Here, you'll see the preview of the pattern selected, right here. The selected marquee indicates the tiles that will be used to create the pattern. You can move the marquee selection if needed by just clicking and dragging around in your image. In the Tile Generation section right here to the right, you can use the width and height sliders to set the dimensions of the tiles used. Now you can either use the slider or you can just set your own value in there. We'll call these 200 and 200 for height. Then you can also offset the tiles, which helps prevent having a too symmetrical pattern. You use the Offset drop-down to select either horizontal or vertical. We'll select horizontal. And then use the slider below that to set the amount of horizontal or vertical offset of the tiles. We'll set it at 50 for right now. You can use the Smoothness drop-down to set the amount of prominence of edges within the tiles. We'll set that at 2 for right now. You use the Sample Detail slider to set the size of the details within the pattern sample. And so you can click and drag around or enter a value in the text box provided. When you have the settings as you want, click the Generate button to generate the pattern. And you'll see your pattern generated. And you can go back then if you'd like and change your options. Maybe we change this to 129 and we want to change the offset and change the amount of the offset as well as the smoothness. And then click Generate again. Every time you click Generate, it will generate a new pattern sample. And you can review the patterns that were generated in the Tile History section in the lower right-hand corner over here. Just click the left and right pointing arrows to scroll through the various previews that you've generated. So you can click like that. Now, if you want to save one of the previews as a new preset pattern, then just click the small floppy disk button in the lower left corner of the Tile History section. It's located right here. And just give that a click. That will launch a dialog box where you can type a name for the new preset gradient, and we'll just call this grass, and click OK. Now, if you want to actually apply the pattern that you have generated to the selection, you can then instead click OK in the Pattern Maker to apply the selected pattern. However, if you only wanted to generate a new pattern preset, then you can instead click Cancel to cancel applying the current pattern to the selection you made initially.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.